Some cricket now. Many-time Parish champions and the two-time national champions Racecourse are through to the Parish semi-finals of the SDC CALS National Cricket Community T20 competition following their win over Bushy Park on Sunday. Mapen Lions also made progress on Sunday.
Centre-bat Racecourse were off to a brisk start against Bushy Park thanks to 22 runs taken off the first over by Wayne Davis. Andre Dennis was on the receiving end as Racecourse blitzed their way to 60 in the power play, but lost their way with several dismissals. However, veteran player Dwight Stewart blasted his way to 50 from 29 balls to propel the innings to an imposing 194 for 6. Anthony Brown with 2 for 36 was the pick of the bowlers for Bushy Park. Bushy Park battled their way in the chase after slipping to 36 for 2 in the power play. Kieran Thomas 50 not out and Abner Gordon 31 led the team's fight to 140 for 3, but fell 54 runs short of the target.
The game plan was just to be disciplined batting wise. No individual got a big score, but we all contributed individually, and that's the reason why we posted 195. Bowling wise, we were really disciplined, as again the bowling was a team effort.
Meanwhile, Mapen Lions were emphatic 8-wicket winners over Vernon Field Royals. The Royals were off to a storming start, with Franklin Waugh smashing 37 with 4 sixes and a 4 in a 60-run opening stand. But with his dismissal and Matthew Halls for 26, the Royals were lifted off their throne as the innings petered out to 134 all out off the final ball of the innings. The modest total was torn apart by Lions openers O'Neill Roberts and Rondre Christie. The pair scored half centuries to put the Lions in charge. Roberts cracked 5 sixes and 4 fours in his 52, while Christie notched 51 not out to go with 25 from captain Tina Osborne to guide the team to victory.
Today's victory was very important because we only played one game because one of the game got rained out. So today's victory, we want to come here against a quality team because Milky Bar is a quality team and show that we can do it and play some hard cricket and do the basics well, and that's what we did today. So this is a very important victory going forward.
All Parish semi-finals will be contested on Sunday with the feature matches set for Westmoreland.